In this video, I'll be showing you how you can book a GrabTaxi or GrabCar in advance. First, I want you to log in inside the Grab application and then click the All button that you can see here, which is this. After clicking this, you need to select car or taxi. This is based on your application or the country that you are placed to. So for me, it's car. Now here, I want you to scroll a little until you see the advanced booking. I'll click this advanced booking and it will show you this interface. Now I want you to click the Get Started. And here, it is now your final selection or option of your date and the time when you want to book this booking. For example, I'd like to select the date of November 29 and just click the OK button. You can also select the time, which is on your preference. So just click the book in advance and that's it. You have now booked in advance in GrabTaxi or in GrabCar, and thank you for listening.